Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool looking graphic. Looks like it's difficult, but it's really not. If you will take a square and then Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key, just make another square inside of it. Go ahead and group that together, Control G. Move it out of the way for a second. Take another box. I'm not going to say a size because you can make it your own. We just need to take this and with the four-sided cross, have it go right there. Control D, alternate C to have it rotate from within that box. And we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. We don't have enough space. We have enough, but it's not perfect. So what we're going to do to change that is we're going to make I made a copy of that. Delete it. Take this box and let's make it a little bit bigger by holding down the Shift key. And then reposition your box on that corner. Control D, alternate C, and now rotate it 45 degrees. I did just the opposite. I wasn't thinking we need to make this smaller. So you know what? I don't know how small it was, so I'm going to back up to where that box I grew, and there's the original. So now I'm going to hold down the Shift and make it smaller. Now let's see if this works. That's why I could tell you measurements, figure that out, but make it your own. Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. See, now we have a space. Take this one, Control D, alternate C, and rotate it a negative 45 degrees. And the reason I'm doing this, and if you want to take a screenshot right there, instead of rotating all the way around and having to delete all those lines, we're just going to I'm going to hold down the Alt key to go through there. So I'm going to do the opposite on that side. Then I'm going to go over here and go through here and then do the opposite on this side. And I'm going to go through here. Now, take this with the Smart Fill tool and move it over, and there's your two pieces. That's all you need. Now, because we moved it, we nudged it, I'm going to go ahead and group it together, and then I can nudge it right back. And then I can Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. Now, it's not going to look anything special until we go all the way around and then start changing the colors. So you could see that we'll make this one blue, and see, it looks like it's over, under, red, yellow, orange, turquoise, dark green, gold, and a black. See it, all 6, 8 of the triangle or rectangles look like they're intertwined with each other. Like that one's going behind the red and then over the red, behind the red, over the black, behind the black. Pretty cool. Let's put a black box around it. And there's a lot of other things you could do to this. And fill it in with black, go up to object, order, back a page. You can't see the black one. So let's make the black one another color. Let's make it that funny purple. But if you want to take a screenshot, it's really easy. Just play it by ear and well, that's if you want to draw it, but maybe you learn something by the video. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.